Jai Hind friends. So this is our third question. Explain the Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor. We know that intrinsic semiconductors are pure semiconductors. Now here you can see the diagram of energy level. So here this is the valence band, conduction band, and in between valence band and conduction band there is Fermi level. So energy of Fermi level will be EF. Okay, and here also you can see this Fermi forbidden gap. So forbidden gap or energy band gap is the distance between top of the valence band and bottom of the conduction band. So this energy is EV is energy of electrons in valence band. EC is energy of holes in conduction bands. So let's say the definition of Fermi level. So it is the probability of occupation of energy levels in valence band and conduction band. So this is intrinsic semiconductor. So number of electrons in valence band will be same as the number of holes in conduction band. So I have shown here 4 electrons and 4 holes. So probability of occupation of energy levels in conduction band and valence band are equal. So Fermi level for intrinsic semiconductor lies in middle of the forbidden band. So from this we can say that this equation 1 will show the number of holes in valence band. So P is equal to NV e raised to minus EF minus EV by KBT. Here NV is effective density of states in valence band. Same way we can write for electrons. So N is equal to Nc e raised to minus Ec minus Ef by kBt. Nc is effective density of states in conduction band. Kb is Boltzmann constant. T is temperature. So from equation 1 we can say that the number of holes in valence band depends on the effective density of states in valence band and the distance between Fermi level and valence band. Fermi level and valence band. Same way, the number of electrons will depend on Nc. What is Nc? It is the effective density of states of conduction band and the distance between conduction band and Fermi level. So if we compare this equation 1 and 2, we will have this EF becomes 2EF and this will be EC plus EV. So 2EF will be EC plus EV. So EF will be EC plus EV by 2. So let's see that equation 3. So from comparing equation 1 and 2, we will get EF is equal to EC plus EV by 2. So Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor lies in the middle of the forbidden gap. Thank you.